Welcome to this session, my dear students. Today, I am going to give a lecture on recent trends in marketing. Under this, I would like to give details about relationship marketing. See, in the present competitive business environment, one of the prime objective of marketing is to create an in-depth and customed relationship with not just customers but all the stakeholders of the business who directly or indirectly affect the success of the firm's marketing activities. Relationship marketing includes a set of activities and strategies, aimed at developing customer loyalty, interaction, managing trust and long-term engagement with all the stakeholders of the business. Stakeholders of the business includes customers, suppliers, distributors, retailers, shareholders, government, employees, and other marketing partners. So this is the actual meaning of relationship marketing. So here you have to consider not only customers but also all the stakeholders. That is very important. Then what is the need or benefits of or importance of this relationship marketing? It builds trust and loyalty. For a business, it is important to note that acquiring a new customer cannot more than retaining a existing one, and therefore it becomes invariably important to retain the existing customers. Customers who are continuously acknowledged, interacted, and reminded of presence of brand are less likely to switch over to other brands, making those customers feel recognized. This is very important. That is to retaining the existing customers is very, very, very important. And so, know and appreciated can go a long way towards locking up their loyalty. And it is also a great way to get them referring others. So, known and appreciated. Appreciation of customers, it is very important, can go to a long way towards locking up their loyalty. So, maintaining loyalty, getting the loyalty of the customers is very important. So, this is possible because of this relationship marketing. Then second one is builds reputation and brand value. Relationship marketing is about establishing long-term relationship with the customers. It includes understanding customer needs throughout the life cycle and providing the goods and services. Accordingly, by building a good relation with customers, marketers fulfill or exceed customer expectations and provide not just a product or service but an experience. By doing this, a marketer maintains a long-term customer relationship which leads to enhanced brand image and value. Third one is create business opportunities. Satisfied customers are ready to pay more for service products if there are adjustments in pricing because they are loyal to and trust your service products. Further, word of mouth from satisfied customers about the brand influences other customers at the time of buying a product for the first time or when products are relatively expensive. People are more likely to buy a product or service when recommended to do so by a person they know. This is very important. Create a business opportunity, that is a referral made by the customer, satisfied customers is very important. This is possible because of this relationship marketing. And a tool to gain competitive edge. Relationship marketing is a tool to gain the competitive edge. So relationship marketing is more than another sales tool for increasing sales and marketing share. It is a powerful device for retaining key customers as well. The goodwill generated through improved customer interactions will help the marketer to stay ahead of their competitors, gaining competitive advantage through customer satisfaction and customer retention. So these are all some importance of relationship marketing. So main this relationship marketing main aim is to retain the existing customers. That is very, very important. And also interaction and management trust and long-term engagement with all the stakeholders. That is creating relationship not only with customers but all the stakeholders relating to the business enterprise. That is also very important. So by this, I am going to conclude this session. So thank you, Anandal. I will meet in the next session.